I welcome all partners. My name is Jakov Shapiro, and for more than 5 years I have been the head of Meta Investments, and in turn, for about 2 years I have been a top manager of the development of well-known metaverse products. After a short presentation of the company's product in a video interview, the partners asked many questions regarding the financial direction of the company's popularization in the technological investment market. Therefore, today I will introduce you to the financial component of the investment line of business from MultiMeta. First, let's figure out what the abbreviation WMA stands for, which sounds completely like Wrapped Meta Average. WMA is a weighted average rate of 1 share of membership in the MultiMeta Universe metaverse with a sequential algorithm in the Ethereum blockchain. This is not a meta share itself, but a separate component of the ERC-20 standard, designed to track the value of a meta share in terms of WMA's expensive share according to the calculated multi-meta revenue algorithm as part of meta investments with a variable rate of return in the time period until May 28, 2025. To create and promote a profitability program, as well as a bonus program for the development of MultiMeta in particular, more than $2.3 billion were initially allocated from the Technological Development Fund of both Meta Investments itself and our direct partners in the development of a metaverse product. These are the largest companies and projects that decided to take part in the creation of a single virtual world and promote their products by selling goods and services inside the MultiMeta Universe metaverse. Among them, you will learn not only the names of the largest metaverse in the main game format at the moment, such as Decentraland, The Sandbox, Seek VR, but also world-famous companies that already conclude agreements with MultiMeta for cooperation in the field of sales, technological innovations and software, clothing and food, various types of services, including delivery and communication services, sale of tickets for events and organization of business meetings in MultiMeta virtual rooms. Thanks to these progressive processes, in the last 2 months alone, the Technological Development Fund has been increased more than 2 times, which makes it possible not only to fulfill dividend obligations to partners by the end of May 2025, but also to expand financial programs and tools for earning money in the near future, while the main product of the company is being created. The flow of financial investments from the company's partners, both online and offline, is divided into several areas. Naturally, the priority area is the creation of a product by the MultiMeta Universe metaverse. An additional area of investment I would call addressing them in hedges and money management companies, and 80% of this financial flow is aimed at hedging shares in the technology market and precisely those companies that take a direct or indirect part in the development of the MultiMeta product. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that the company does not spend partner funds either on paying off profitable marketing, or on advertising or office development, as it does not spend funds on the wages of Meta Investments employees who are not involved in the development of the metaverse or maintenance of existing products of the company. And I would like to add that the basis for building a business in Meta Investments is the priority direction of creating a MultiMeta Universe metaverse at present, but this is only a small one. Part of the company's business as a whole, which is based both on global investment in ready-made technological development projects for more than 20 years, as well as in promising startups, as well as financial trading instruments and more than 20 business areas of Meta Investments. Currently and for the next 3 years, MultiMeta marketing is aimed at ensuring that financial partners and potential users of the company's products learn about the metaverse, and accordingly are active customers after its launch, thereby raising quotes for the company's stock values after its IPO and providing an opportunity for an additional source of income in the key and long-term financial perspective. To promote appropriate marketing, we created not only a high-quality return program for passive investors, but also a progressive bonus program for the leaders of the company's product promotion thanks to a referral bonus program with fixed and constantly increasing rewards both for a separate invited partner and for building an active partner network. This makes it possible to earn both fixed financial bonuses and daily bonuses from partner profits on the client account. In building this returns program lies the expertise and analysis of MultiMeta's top UK financial analysts, as well as Meta Investments Hong Kong, Australian and New Zealand subsidiaries. The basis of high earnings for both passive partners and active leaders was the constant preservation and increase in the number of WMA shares on the partner account not only for the purpose of making more money on investment offers, but also for the possibility of participating in the distribution of shares when the company enters the IPO. Maintaining shares in active cases will give partners the opportunity rational increase in profitability in the long term, which will accordingly allow partners to enter the history of the digital technology market in the next 5 to 7 years with a projected share of control of the technological sphere of the virtual world in covering 25 to 30% of the industry's share, ahead of giants such as Tencent, Facebook, Google and Amazon. Answering the question of the global development of the MultiMet, I would like to note that the potential of participation in the development of partners from the CIS is from 15 to 18% of the total number of partners of the company, which makes it possible to expand the business direction with the current percentage ratio of 10% at the moment. The leaders of the development direction at the moment are Asia and North America, but we are confident in the MultiMet that the popularization of the company's development will reach the leading positions of the technological market in 2022 to 2023. And this will make it possible to introduce even more technological innovations into a product that unites not only leading technologies, and also unites people, as well as MultiMeta.